What is artificial intelligence? Advancements in machine learning and deep learning are creating a paradigm shift in virtually every sector of the tech industry. Can machines think? Can it replace human intelligence? My name is Jarman Singh Gill, and you're watching Nature&Science. Some people associate AI with science fiction robots, but in reality, the technology streamlines and improves many day-to-day processes, allowing us to accomplish more in less time. Today, AI plays a role in many aspects of our daily lives, from commuting to shopping to browsing the web. AI software development is a massive market, and the technology is improving all the time. Here are 5 ways AI impacts your everyday life. Social media experts predict that the AI social media market will grow from $633 million in 2018 to $2.1 billion in 2023. As both artificial intelligence and social media become more prevalent in people's lives, the intersection of the two will also become more popular. Digital assistants like the Google Home and Amazon Alexa have exploded in popularity in the last few years. You can use digital assistants for a wide variety of purposes, but the following are some of the most common uses: message dictation, internet searches, alarms and timers, scheduling, reminders, media playback, calculations. Some digital assistants also offer home automation, which allows you to use the technology to control your thermostat, lights, garage door, and other devices. Many digital assistants use AI to understand the nuances of human language. This allows the devices to process full sentences spoken by the user and respond with natural speech. The natural language abilities will get better and better over time until digital assistants sound just like humans. AI and machine learning also help digital assistants improve themselves without needing human interference. Even if it's not obvious, artificial intelligence is probably a part of your daily life in a number of ways. If you see a targeted ad on social media, it might have been generated by AI. When you ask your digital assistant a question, AI allows the technology to search the web and find the most helpful answer. Your product recommendations when shopping, your music recommendations from Spotify, and your social media friend suggestions may all be influenced by artificial intelligence. Some experts predict that the widespread use of AI will lead to a second industrial revolution. Artificial intelligence has already made a big impact on many aspects of our day-to-day tasks. As more advancements are made to AI technology, it will become even more prevalent in daily life. Artificial intelligence has different contributors, such as machine learning, neural networks, robotics, expert systems, fuzzy logic systems, natural language processing. Is creating an AI system like Jarvis possible? Well, yes, it is possible. It might seem impossible now considering the level of hardware and intelligence required to build such a system. It is possible, but not in the near future. We are nowhere close to building an AI like Jarvis. It would take decades of research, and I don't think the hardware technologies that exist would be enough to build. We need more advanced hardware and logic. Nobody would have thought it would be possible for a person to speak to another person who is miles away, but then phones were invented. It's just a matter of time. We have seen Siri, Alexa, Cortana. Even after lots of efforts put to build them, they don't really work perfectly. Sophia, the first robot to get citizenship in Saudi Arabia, but still not as good as Jarvis. Jarvis is like a proper human assistant. No matter how hard we try, I don't think we can make a system like Jarvis of now. Except you have the brain of Tony Stark, there will still be some things missing. Creating artificial intelligence seems cool, but AI has its own risk to humanity too. If AI surpasses humanity in general intelligence and becomes superintelligent, then it could become difficult or impossible for humans to control. Will AI robots replace humans in the military? Gorilla depends on human goodwill. Well, so might the fate of humanity for another depend on the actions of a future machine superintelligence. Elon Musk artificial intelligence.